Today we discuss a new point, that is expression for kinetic energy. Before here we have one more point, what is energy. So generally energy is nothing but in definition wise if you discuss, energy is nothing but the capacity to do work. कोई भी काम करने के लिए हमको कैपेसिटी लगती है और इस होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी को एनर्जी बोलते हैं. And in the universe energy is different form, like energy is in mechanical form, heat energy, electrical energy, electromagnetic energy. So different forms of energies are there, solar energy, nuclear energy, etc. So here the mechanical energy further divided in two forms. The first one is called kinetic energy and second is called the potential energy. Kinetic, as the word indicates, it's something concerned with the motion. So when an object got energy because of its motion, then it is called the kinetic energy. When any object has some kind of energy because of its motion, it is called as the kinetic energy. And here it's time to derive the formula for the kinetic energy. Here it's time to derive the formula for kinetic energy. Now what is the formula for kinetic energy? So we have to derive the formula kinetic energy equal to half mv square. ये हमारा आउटपुट है, ये हमारा एम है. And for the reason we just imagine one scenario, one example. What is that? There is an object. Right now the object is at the rest. It means that the initial velocity is equal to 0. Then you apply some force on that object. When you apply the force on that object, it got some kind of acceleration and it acquired the velocity, and that velocity is called v. And this object having the mass m, and when you apply the force, it like having some kind of distance, it displaces, and that displacement is called like the s. ऐसे कुछ terms है. Again I am repeating, an object initial velocity is 0, means it is at the rest. You apply some force, because that the object got acceleration, it having some kind of velocity, it is called v. The object having the mass m, and when you apply the force, some work is done, and because that the object start to move, and that movement we count in a s. So these are some of the terms which are concerned with the object. Now क्वेश्चन ये है कि यहाँ पर कितना वर्क हुआ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑब्जेक्ट जितना हम लोग ज्यादा वर्क करेंगे उतना ऑब्जेक्ट ज्यादा मूव होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर पेडलिंग ए साइकिल, सो आप जितने पेडलिंग करेंगे, जितना फोर्स लगाएंगे, साइकिल उतना फास्ट जाएगी. इसका मतलब द वर्क डन is equal to how much work you are done, that is equal to kinetic energy. That is equal to kinetic energy. In the last lecture we have the formula for work done. What is the formula for work done? Work done is equal to force into displacement. This is the formula that we obtained in the last lecture. ये what is work, मेरा एक वीडियो है, उस वीडियो के अंदर में हम लोगों ने वर्क का फॉर्मूला डिराइव किया हुआ है. एंड दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर वर्क. वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. We have one more discussion on the Newton's laws of motion. In that we have the Newton's second law of motion, है ना? And that in that second law of motion we have the formula. Which formula? F equal to mass into acceleration. ये एक फॉर्मूला हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है, उसका भी वीडियो हम यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. And one more, we have the second kinematical equation, also called as Newton's laws of motion using the graphical method. That is S equal to ut plus half at square. ये दो इक्वेशंस हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे डिराइव किए हुए हैं. Am I right? मान लो इसको अगर मैं बोलूं इक्वेशन नंबर 1, this is what इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Here u stand for initial velocity, but here the initial velocity is 0. That's why s is equal to only half at square, because u into 2, t means u is 0 multiplied by t also 0. So 0 plus half at square is simply s equal to half at square. This is what equation number 3. Now put the values of equation 2 and 3 in इक्वेशन नंबर 1. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 2 और 3 की वैल्यू 1 में ऐड करेंगे. सो हियर W इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज F? F इज नथिंग बट MA into S. S स्टैंड फॉर इक्वेशन नंबर 3. एज पर द इक्वेशन नंबर 3 इट इज हाफ AT square. So we just put up the value of the real F. Instead of F, what we put up here? MA. And for S we have half at square. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज करूंगा. हाउ? ऑब्जर्व, W इज इक्वल टू 1/2 हाफ M as it is. This A multiplied with this A, it become A square, and this is t square, so it become at whole bracket square. This is what equation number 4. So this is the equation number 4. W is equal to half m at square. We have to arrange this at square. For the reason, we consider the Newton's first equation of motion using graphical method, that is v is equal to u plus at, which describe the relation between velocity and time. In our scenario, the value initial velocity u equal to 0. That's why it is simply v is equal to 0 plus at. Simply it is v is equal to at. 0 plus at means simply at. Now suppose I just square on the left hand side. Suppose मैं अगर v square लूंगा, v की जगह v square, तो राइट साइड में भी क्या आना चाहिए, at whole bracket square आना चाहिए. And this at square are replaced by v square. So put this value of at square instead of at square, we put up v square in equation number 4. तो क्या हो जाएगा, it is simply w is equal to half m v square. W is equal to half m v square. So हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं half m v square को डिराइव किया. Now it's time to convert this w into the ke. Right now मेरा एक क्वेश्चन आपसे है, अगर हम लोग एक बाइसिकल को राइड कर रहे हैं तो सवाल ये है कि बाइसिकल के अंदर में मोशन कितना आएगा, हाउ मच द मूवमेंट ऑफ द बाइसिकल हैज, उसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी, ये डिपेंड करेगा. हम जितना वर्क करेंगे उतनी ज्यादा वेलोसिटी रहेगी. सो द वर्क डन बाय एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. इट मींस सिंपली W is equal to KE. How much work you are doing on an object, that much of object that is moving, the object is moving is directly proportional to how much work you are doing on that object. That's why W is equal to KE. So इसी फॉर्मूला को अगर मैं रखूं, if W is equal to half mv square, then I can write KE also equal to half mv square. So instead of W, I am putting the value of KE here, and this is the final equation for the kinetic energy. So this is the formula for kinetic energy. Whenever there are the numericals are there, these numericals are solved on the basis of kinetic energy equal to half into mass into the square of the velocity. This is what the expression for the kinetic energy. Okay, thank you.